Today we're looking at the brand new Viltrox 28mm f4.5 for Sony full frame. Currently shooting on my A7 III. Now this is a dinky little thing, basically body cap style lens, but I think it might appeal to some of you. In fact, check it out. It has autofocus. I mean, it's a fixed f4.5, so you might not see it too much, but you know, how is that faring? That doesn't seem too bad. Yeah, so we need to crack this thing open and then get some random tests on the go. The weather is absolutely terrible at the moment, so we'll see how we fare. Yeah, let's get on with it. Manual, gel, QC going flying, warranty card, you know the score, a bit of packing there, and the thing is absolutely tiny. It's like a body cap, but with autofocus, so you know you can whack it on, which we will do, and just leave it there if you really want. No cap, no filter thread. 28mm f4.5. Now as you can see, there are no rings to play with, absolutely nothing, so no manual focus. You can't change the aperture from 4.5, but you do have a 32cm minimum focusing, so might be able to throw out the background a bit with that. 4.5 on full frame, absolutely fine. 60-gram weight, nothing to it at all. Now focusing, VCM, voice coil motor focusing, which some of you might need to look up because it's not that common. We'll see how we get on. We've got 6 elements in 6 groups, 73.42 degree field of view. Look at how tiny that is. Now I wish that this silver bit was black just to make it even more discreet, but I mean it's absolutely tiny. I love it. Yeah, why not? After giving this a thorough workout, as far as build and handling goes, there's not much to report. The tiny front element is easy to smudge, less easy to clean on the go, and the lack of lens hood definitely limits the lens as far as image quality goes. Although to keep the size down, it's understandable. Now, as you probably gathered from the intro, surprisingly, autofocus is pretty good, all things considered, but maybe that's where the fun ends, maybe. Image quality, as you're seeing in the samples, probably what you expected. I'll be honest, I was looking forward to getting this lens out and about, especially after checking out the intro clips that I took. But But, you know, once I started reviewing the images, that excitement soon died off. But in the right light, you can get fairly sharp centers, edges not so great. In no small measure down to the lack of hood, the contrast is lacking, the lens is prone to flaring, colors could be better. Basically, we're talking low-end, character-filled image quality. But that doesn't mean in the right hands it's not fun. It's definitely a step up from the typical cheapo body cap lenses out there. But is it worth splashing the cash on? At around £100 via Indiegogo at the point of launch right now, there's a discount. In spite of all the negatives, I think this is a worthy, fun little lens, and in the right circumstances could get you some decent social media size snaps. It's not quite the budget street photography whiz kid I was hoping for, but your mileage might vary, so I want to hear from you in the comments once you've tried this lens. And until then, take it easy, and all being well, I'll see you next week.